Hi, boys and girls. All right, so today for literacy, I'm going to see if you guys can try to log into two of our apps that we're going to use that are on your iPad. So I've sent your passwords to your parents, so I'm going to see if you guys can figure this out with me. So the first one we're going to look at is RazKids, and there's going to be a bunch of books in there under your specific name. So you're going to look for the app that looks just like this, and you're going to click on that when you're done with this video. There's also a link below. After you click in there, this is going to show up, and you are going to type in, you can have your parents help you, MFARRELL 49. That's Miss Farrell's username. After you click that, you're going to click go. And as you can see, all your names are there. So you're going to find the one that says your name. And each of you has a different password. So you're going to have to ask your parents which one is yours. I will show you mine down here. So I'm going to click on my name. And I know that my password is the carrot. Yours might not be the carrot. So make sure you ask your parents. Then I'm going to click go. All right, now here is your RazKids. There's a reading room, and if you go in here, there's a whole bunch of different books, and you can click on any of those. But if you go into your level up, those are the books that you know how to read. So when I click on a book, and you're not going to be able to hear it, I can either listen to it or I can read it. So first I might listen to it, and then I might read it myself once I know it. And then there's a quiz. If you see these stars right here, you can earn those star points for reading books. How cool is that? And then when you do a really good job with your RazKids, it's going to move you up a level. Okay, so that's the first one. Then the other one is called Epic, and it's another reading app. So you're going to find the one that looks like this, and you're going to go into the app. It may not look like this, but you're going to click on class code. Okay, and then we have our specific class. And after you click on class code, you're going to click in this spot and you're going to enter your class code, which is right here, which your parents will also have. It is PMZ0966. All right, so I'm going to type in PMZ0966. And then we click go. All right, and it's going to bring you in. And then same thing, you're going to find your name. All right, so everyone has their own little person, which you can change. And you're going to click into yours. Okay, and then you would log in. Okay, so those are the two different apps that I want to see if you guys can log in and read some books on there today. So we're going to have RazKids and we're going to have Epic, and they should be right on your school iPad. And ask your parents for help if you need it.